Hey everybody, glad you're back. We're going to do another little installment of educational. Today we're going to talk about support and resistance, how to identify the areas and why they matter. Quick little rundown just to help you understand a little bit and hopefully get a little better edge on your trade. We have the NVIDIA chart up right here on the daily. Basically, support and resistance, what you're looking for is areas where traders have settled up or areas of value for support and resistance that people find that the most trading happens. So to kind of show it in a simple manner is, let's just say right here we've had a little downtrend going on in the video lately over the last couple weeks, and we want to know where is this possibly going to stop, where can we find support and look to have an entry level at value and look for more upside. So as of where it sits right now at 233.74, we want to look at the areas that has had the most amount of trading in recent history. So look left, and you can see right here we've had it, and I'm going to put a line. I'm going to put a little ray right here at the candle opens and closes, and as you can see there's a little green line right there, and you can see we're coming up upon it. So personally, if I'm looking at this chart and I'm saying, all right, where's the next level for it to continue falling to, that I can look for it to find support, buyers think it's an area of value, come in with big buy pressure and push the price back up. Where can I enter in a long position? And so right here at 228.56, because if you zoom in, you can see how many times that candles have interacted with this level. You've had multiple candles hit pullback all across here, and so this is a time frame of August, middle of August through middle of September. So quite a lot of action trying to push through this area as resistance. Okay, so when you start seeing all these multiple candles trying to hit the same area, same price points, and they're trying to break through but they keep rejected, at that point this is resistance. Okay, and old resistance hopefully turns into new support, and that's what you're looking for in a long-term uptrend. So right here, all these multiple tries rejected, buyers just kind of gave up on it for a little while and then came back to test it again, and with more authority, more power, more buying, they tested and then bam, started breaking through it. So we had this uptrend, right? So now it was way up here at all-time highs, but as we've came down in our downtrend, where can it reverse? So now what we're looking is for old resistance to flip into new support, and we'll see soon enough. So if I'm watching the video and I'm thinking I want to find an entry point, we've already lost quite a bit of value, and we're looking at the next level that could possibly be support to analyze it again and place a long entry. So right here at the 228.56, that's where I would want to see it bounce. Should it not bounce and it continue to break down through it, then we go down to the next level, which probably right there. Oh, let me pull your. All right, so once again, if you zoom in, pull it over for y'all, check it out. We ran up, tested resistance, stayed below it, tried to test it again. 1, 2, 3. On the fourth test, we broke through and moved to the next level. Now, once we broke through that, we formed a next level of resistance. We came back down to our previous level of resistance, and what did it become? Support. So you can see where we tested the line above us here. We came back down to the 207 range, found it as support, ran up, got rejected here again, came back down, support. We finally lost it for just a few days, fell underneath it, rejected as resistance again. So when something has become support and then you test it again, then you have the possibility of that support breaking down and becoming resistance again. So what you're seeing here is each area of multiple tests can be support or resistance depending on the direction of the trend, and those will be your areas most likely to have either a rejection or a support to place a long entry, or a rejection to place a short entry. So zoom out to your charts, and you want to look where there's just been lots of confluence. Right here we had a really long area of confluence right here. As you can see how many times this line has been interacted with, and break above it and just couldn't hold it and back down, and they're just testing up. You just have tons and tons of areas like this through any trend. You can go out on any time scale and see where does that fall. So you would think, let's say we're entering a bear market now in NVIDIA. We're almost testing this first level. If we break below that and we do not make it support, well, then we'll be looking for the next level where we've had lots of interaction with our candlesticks. So very well can go down to that. More than likely in a downtrend, once you know you're in a prolonged downtrend, you'll start watching these levels, and that's where you'll wait, see how the candle interacts, and you'll want to go in a long or short position based on that accordingly. So our next level, if we break below that one, then we would go down to 138. After 138, we're looking for the next level, and they can be small, they can be large, but whichever level had the most interaction, I would say, like the next one being, we'll turn off the magnet. I'm going to say, and it's a little subjective, but not really. You'll find it. You'll start getting in the groove. Right here, we had all these interactions with it on the way up, come back down, test it again, $65. But that's the short in it. Usually when something comes back down, that level that was resistance will become support, or it's supposed to, or you hope it does, but that's where you would look for it to. So in a nutshell, that's it. You just want to find the areas with multiple candle interactions, and those will be your levels of support resistance, and you'll know how it interacts with that line. It gives you an edge to take a long or short position. Simple as that. So that's it for support and resistance. Hit me up in the messages if anybody's got any more questions, and we'll make a new video next week. Thank you.